Hello viewers, today we are talk about Evelyn De Morgan. Evelyn De Morgan 1855 to 1990 was an English painter associated with the Pre-Raphaelite movement, known for her beautiful symbolic works of art. Born as Mary Evelyn in London, she came from a well-off family from a young age. Evelyn showed a strong interest in art, but her family did not initially support her desire to pursue painting. However, Evelyn was determined to follow her passion, and by the age of 15, she convinced her parents to let her study art more seriously. Evelyn enrolled in the South National Art Training School, where he developed her skill in drawing and paintings. She later continued her studies at the Salad School of Art, a more progressive institution where women artists were given more opportunities. It was at this time that she began to develop her unique style, influenced by the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood, an artistic group that sought to revive the vivid colors and attention to detail of early Renaissance art. De Morgan's painting often featured strong, powerful women, which was unusual for her time. She believed in representing women as more than just passive figures in art, portraying them as intelligent and capable. Many of her works contain symbolic and spiritual themes, exploring topics like life, death, and the afterlife. For example, in one of her most famous paintings, The Soul's Persian House, she illustrates the struggle of the soul to break free from the physical body. In 1887, Evelyn married William D. Morgan, a successful ceramic artist and novelist who shared her artistic and spiritual interest. The couple supported each other's work and shared a deep connection. They were also both involved in social causes, including pacifism and women's rights. Evelyn's painting reflects her pacifist views, especially during World War I, when she created several anti-war works that emphasize the horrors of conflict. One of Evelyn's most recognized painting, Flora, which depicts the Roman goddess of flowers and spring. Like many of her works, Flora is rich with symbolic meaning, representing rebirth, beauty, and the renewal of life. Her use of color and detail is remarkable, blending classical mythology with spiritual ideas. Throughout her life, De Morgan was deeply interested in separatism, a belief in communication with the separate world. She explored themes of life beyond death, often using allegorical figures in her works. Her interest in spiritualism grew through stronger after her husband's death in 1917. Evelyn continued to paint until her own death in 1919, leaving behind a legacy of powerful symbolic art that continue to inspire. Thought she was not as famous during her lifetime as some male artists, Evelyn De Morgan's work has gained much recognition in the years since her death. Her paintings can now be found in several museums and galleries, and she is remembered as a pioneering female artist who combined beauty, symbolism, and deeper meaning in her art. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.